Growing up as an avid fisherman's son, I always heard that when the afternoon chill starts to nip away at your fingers, the crappie start to gorge themselves for the long winter ahead. So today we'll be fishing some ultralight lures at my favorite childhood lake.
Hey, what's going on everyone? Ryan here, welcome back to another video. We are back at the lake where I started my YouTube channel, and it is Saturday. There's a ton of people at the lake. So let's see what we can catch. Let's get to fishing. The water's been really low lately. Hasn't really rained much. Definitely a lot more shallow than I'm used to. I haven't fished this place for like 6 months. Just been at the beach, fishing for Spanish, bluefish, even a pompano in that last video. That was pretty cool. I've never caught a pompano before. So I'm hoping to get into some panfish, crappie. And if we can't catch anything on this side, we're gonna go on the other side. A little less people, maybe more fish. My dad's already tired of this area, so he wants to go to the other side. All right, we're gonna try the other side. That's where my dad wants to fish. Wow, look at all these bugs, beautiful. All right, I've got tied on a Trout Magnet tandem rig with a mini Trout Magnet on the bottom and about 2 feet and a bobber. Let's see. I'm hoping we can catch something today. I grew up on this lake. This is where a lot of fish have been caught. Kind of forgot how to retrieve this. Oh, I see a little splash over there. Could be something. Oh. Dang, I missed him. There was something there for sure though. Let's see if he wants to bite again. Ooh, my dad got something. What'd you get, Dad? Nice. Just off the bank. Let's see him.
Like 10 feet away. Small crappie.
Boom.
Right, right there.
Awesome. Yeah, I got a little bite earlier, but I didn't catch it. Let's see if I can get something, because I don't want to skunk today either. It'd be really embarrassing, especially since I'm fishing with my dad today. Gotta beat the old man, you know. Espresso. Sabrina Carpenter. Look at him. He's got a tangle. And while he's messing with that knot of his, that little bird's nest, I don't know how you bird nest a spinning rod, but we're gonna see if we can catch a fish. Just some friendly competition, you know. Except he doesn't know I'm competing with him. Ooh, almost fell. Okay. That was not fun.
Got another bite. This one thing about 10 feet away. 10 to 15
10 feet away?
10 feet, 15
All right.
feet away. That's why over there. Second bite is also there. Just about there. Or a little bit further.
We're gonna try it right on you. Let's see if they don't like the Trout Magnet. I'm gonna switch to like a spinner or something.
Oh, got it. Oh, they are all over.
Every cast, bro. Nice. That's experience right there. Oh, there it is.
Sorry.
Oh. Nice. All right, spinner time. Using a white and black one with a silver rooster tail blade. Oh, I got something. What is it? Finally, it's a crappie. I finally got a fish. Oh yeah. Look at him. Very different from saltwater fishing. I'll give you that. All right. On the spinner, little rooster tail, white and black. Looks like a cow colored. Nice little fish. Ooh, yeah, let's go. In you go. I'm gonna try to drop you down there, but it's kind of steep, so I'm not gonna go all the way down there. Sorry, that's as far as I can go down. Good job, Ryan. Congrats.
Right over there.
Whoa, little baby bass. Look at that. Finally, it's the first bass of the day. Good job. Dang, he's winning. He's winning this competition. Oh, fish on. Nope, never mind. What am I doing? Guys, he's beating me so bad. I can't. I just hear the drag from him every time. Oh, oh, okay. What is he doing? What? That thing just skyrocket into the air, bro. What the heck? Okay, well, he bit hard, man. Nice little crappie. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Let's get him back in there. Slowly let you go, buddy. And he's gone. So they really like these spinners fished really close to the bottom. So I let it sink to the bottom, and then I'm really slowly reeling this thing back in. It's not, you know, when you're thinking about spinach mackerel, you're burning it across the top. But these guys, man, we're just slow rolling off the bottom. Slow roll seems to be the trick today. Dang. Although one thing is, it's hard to tell if I have a bite or not, because I'm used to like the line zipping out, getting like real tight and just taking line out. But man, it is still so fun, guys. Oh man, just taking me back to the childhood memories fishing this lake. Oh yeah. And with the crappie, you kind of get like a thud, like a dull thump, and then you're like, oh, what's going on? Except the one I just caught just skyrocketed into the air. I've never seen that before. Man, that was an aggressive bite. Okay. Okay. That was fun. Woo-hoo. Let's go. Man, I saw that thing come up and grab it. These guys can be quite aggressive now, huh? It's fall fishing. They're really getting ready to spawn. Look at that beautiful green color on this thing. I'm gonna need the pliers for him. I don't want to hurt him too much because they're probably 1-year-old fish or 2-year at most, but this guy's probably only less than a year old. Not very bright to be hitting this spinner, you know? I shouldn't say that. But look at this. Beautiful colors on this thing. Let's get him released. In you go. Boom, he's out. That was pretty satisfying. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Got him. Dang. What is this? A little sunfish? A little bluegill? Hello. Haven't caught a bluegill in so long. I don't even... Look at that red color. Beautiful color right here. Oh man. What a nice fall fishing freshwater style. This is amazing. Look at that. He's got some nice purple on him too. This is wild. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Man, I'm gonna let you go. Okay, if I don't fall in there. Beautiful. Oh no. Ooh, that thing almost came up at me. All right, we're gonna catch one more fish on this spinner, and then we're gonna try something else. Ooh, there we are. Right on cue, buddy. Thank you. Oh, right on cue. There we go. Beautiful crappie. Nice fish. Yeah, Dad, no, come over here. Dad, come over here. I'm gonna go change my lure. Just come here. Okay, maybe I am holding on my own. You want a spinner? It's been pretty good on me. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can because I don't want to hurt them too much, given that they're kind of too small to keep. There we go. Look at that beautiful fish. Mwah. Let's go back. I'm going back. I'm going back. Oh, okay. Right. Okay, this is why I gotta toss him. Sorry, guys. Oh, turn around. Turn around. There you go. Go back. Okay. 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 Oh, that was close. Woo! Spinner, Dad. A nice little spinner.
Zero.
Huh?
You got 3 already. I got 0.
No, you got plenty of fish on that little minnow you have too. All right, the sun has come down a little bit. So now we're gonna try one of these. These are sinking little jerk baits. See if that'll work. Maybe we'll cut something cool. Oh yeah, that cast 1,000,000 miles away. Wow. What are you catching? A little micro crankbait? That's pretty cool. Whoa. That's cool. Here, oh, ow. Be careful. All right, let go.
Okay.
Mine's about 3 times as big as that.
Too big. This is small fish. Why do you have to use such a big bait? Ooh, come on, come on.
Okay. Okay. Look at the theatrics, bro.
They love crankbait, I guess.
Yeah.
Now they are at surface, so
They are?
crankbait won't go deep.
Okay, he's not. That's not fair. I want one. I want one. All right, so my dad said he's gonna let me try one of his little micro crankbaits. This looks cool. Never seen these before. All right, one of these nice little micro crankbaits. My dad said that they stay at the surface of the water, which is where they are right now. Oh yeah, I could feel the vibration of the crankbait. Oh, that's pretty cool. They've only got 1 hook too. That's cool, I've never seen it like that. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, you know you want a bite of my micro crankbait. Oh, okay. Slowed it down. We got one on the micro crankbait. Look at that. So cool. Okay. Whew. Little baby crappie. Look at that. All right, I'm not gonna fall, so in you go. Bye-bye. I realized you have to really slow it down. Okay, well, I have been fishing for Spanish for the last 6 months. I am trying my very best to adapt. Yeah, you gotta slow it way down. Like I'm going really slow. And then they tend to just strike right at the edge here. Little tiny baby, little tiny bluegill on the micro crankbaits. Look at that. Beautiful little fish. Gonna let him go. Oh. Oh, I think this guy got foul hooked. He probably came for it. Oh no, fell. Okay, that's fine. Well, almost died. Almost slipped and died there. But he got foul hooked. That was pretty funny. He came for it. Dang, that's pretty cool. Had to tighten my drag though. I was like, what's going on? Whew. Man, that was some adrenaline pumping action. Oh, getting hit. Oh, I'm getting hit again. Oh, there we go. Oh, dang, came off. Try one more time. We know there's fish on that side over there, I guess. Holy, did you guys see that? Oh my God. That was wild. Oh, I'm so glad I got that on video. Something big came. I think it was a big crappie. Would not want to be a little fish in this lake. Holy crap.
Show the camera. The camera's over there.
Well, my dad definitely beat me in number of fish caught today. He's a lot better at crappie fishing than I am. Whew. Man, his little crankbait putting in some work. I just have to go a lot slower than I think I need to because I'm so used to going fast. Sometimes slow is the way to go. These fish like to stalk a little crankbait or spinner or whatever I'm using, and then as soon as it gets close to the shore and they know that that little crankbait has nowhere to go if it was a real fish, boom, they strike. That's pretty cool. I want to know what happens if I pause it. Ooh, some just came out and ate it. Oh, here we go. Boom. Good fish, good fish. This one's pretty good size. Look at that. Ooh, okay, not in my hand, please. Ooh, okay. On the micro crankbait. Look at that. Beautiful crappie. Dang, these guys are beautiful. This lake always has the most prettiest crappie ever. Man, that was cool. Ooh wee, let's go. I guess we'll pump it down like this. I just don't know if it's quick enough. Like, I could try and burn it back. Ooh, actually. Oh yeah. This one's a good size. I guess the more aggressive fish will come bite when you burn it back like this. Off with a little crankbait again. Nice. And he's up. That was fun.
That was quick. Yeah, that was pretty darn quick.
On that small crankbait again. Look at that fish, beautiful. We're gonna let him go. Man, these ultralight lures are so good right now. The crappie are right by the bank. It's fall time, they're gorging themselves for the winter, and oh my gosh, I had so much fun. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I post a lot of fishing videos, and I will see you in the next adventure. Until then, tight lines.